guys, how are you? Are you having problems with the injector plugs on your multi-jet engine or any other engine? I have a solution for you. As you may know by now, I used to work on the dealer. And as I may explain you on previous videos, part of the job of the technician is to search for future problems and create a solution. My solution for this problem, and the problem is, the plug wobbles on the injector, and the terminals inside become a little bit loose, like I told you on the video of the airbag. And as you have a big current passing through this plug, you have electric arc occurring between these two parts. So the solution is, even though you have these broken tabs up here, if you create enough pressure, enough to the plug, do not move at all, you will never have the same problem again. So my solution was, at the time, at the dealer, I created this, it's just a zip tie around the injector, underneath that plastic cap over here and around the plug over here. I submitted this method to the factory at the time, and it was approved. So from that point on, all the cars that did go to that dealer, we had to add this zip tie on all 4 or 5 injectors. Even if the car did not have any problem, as a preventive measure, we have to do this from that point on. This method has already about 15 years, and I never had a problem with plugs after doing this modification. Around the world, all technicians do this. We create solutions for problems that are occurring or may occur. Then the factory does summarize once a year, summarizes all the solutions and actually releases that information around the world. So I don't know if this method is already known by now, but I hope with this video I can help you with this persistent problem. Don't forget, if you are removing the plug for any reason, to put some product to avoid the corrosion inside of the plug. I use WD-40 and it works very well for me. Guys, I hope you like this short video. I hope you can share with your friends and consider subscribe. Also, on the description below, there is a lot of information that can be useful for you.